Roku Smart Home app. So let's just tap to get it. So here it is. Manage your smart home devices. All your devices in one place. Check your cameras. Customize your settings. Create schedules. Get instant notifications. Your home is about to get smarter. Monitored from anywhere. A simple way to a smarter home. The Roku Smart Home mobile app is the only smart home manager you need for your Roku Smart Home devices. Indoor and outdoor home security cameras, video doorbells, smart bulbs, smart light strips, smart plugs, and more. Easily set up your smart home devices, customize the settings, and more in all in the Roku Smart Home Device Manager. So yeah, so this is the app. You can just open it up, and then here it is. You can just create an account. Um, just proceed with the what's your email, and then basically you just need to wait for your email, and then you will be able to create your account. It's pretty fun that they have this screen update automatically when updates, so you don't even need to enter numbers. But seems it doesn't work actually. Okay. All right, so basically this is how you just get set up, and then you just add in your Roku devices, and that's how you get started.